Top 5 things to consider when buying a new stand mixer. Looking to make the most out of your mixer purchase? Consider these 5 categories. First, consider which stand mixer design works best for your needs. KitchenAid brand's iconic stand mixer features a head that tilts back to allow for optimal bowl access so you can add ingredients easily. The bowl lift design handles heavier loads by combining incredibly sturdy base support with a powerful motor. The second thing to consider is capacity. How much are you looking to make? The Artisan Mini Stand Mixer is great for small batches. It's got a 3.5 quart capacity and can yield about 5 dozen cookies. The Classic and Artisan Tilt Head mixers have 4.5 quart and 5 quart bowls that yield 8 and 9 dozen cookies each. The bowl lift models hold even more. 5, 6, or 7 quart bowls that can yield an impressive 9, 13, and 14 dozen cookies respectively. Each motor is selected to ensure it delivers the best possible performance for the size of its mixer. Next up is color, and there's a color for every maker. KitchenAid stand mixers come in a variety of striking options, even limited edition colors that change with the season. Bowls are an excellent way to personalize a stand mixer. Sleek, modern metal finishes, elegant glass, and ceramic bowls all provide both beauty and function. Finally, attachments can turn your mixer into something more. From pasta rollers, even ice cream makers, there's an attachment for almost every passion. With multiple iconic designs, tiered capacities to match your needs, virtually limitless color options, and so many ways to customize, KitchenAid has a mixer for every maker's needs. Find yours today at KitchenAid.com.